guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to go through another Plannahannah order here. The first thing is her journaling card. It is this cute little Rugrats. She does personalize it as well as signs it, and her Instagram down below with her socials. It's a little out of order. Okay. We're going to start with the freebies. So the first freebie here is this glittery foiled SPC sampler page. I do not use this page, so I just kind of throw it away. Next up is, this is the all orders freebie in a, I think this is like a pixie lemongrass. We do get a little die cut here that says Remorse Smut. And then I did use Rosie 15, so I used Rosie Plans code to get 15% off, and I got her order freebie, which is this cute little bow and this cute like black and like lime color foil, which I hope Hannah brings to the shop. Now on to my order. First up here is I have some custom multis. I have this first custom multi in see, I think it's Shattered Hollow kind of, with like the font with hearts. I forget the number. Next up I have light pink custom multi in font 15, and then I have a lime custom multi here. I did get 2 solid underlays in the bronze because I'm going to be using ice and bronze for one of my kits in the month of April. And the foil bundle, and then I have a foil bundle here, which is the cleaning foil bundle in ice. So we have the headers and icons, scripts, date numbers, whole reinforcers, and page corners. The bottom washi with deco in a full box. I got mixed overlay full boxes, and then the cleaning underlays. So that's one bundle. The second bundle I have here is the popcorn bundle, and I got it in tie-dye blue. Yeah, and then the blue tie-dye. So again, we have the headers and icons, scripts, date numbers, whole reinforcers, bottom washi, the overlays, and then the bougie boxes. And last but not least, I did pick up this plant bundle. I think she called it Plant Mama bundle, or the Plant Mom bundle, in navy, but we have, again, her format is the same. The only thing that is different is the bottom washi, the overlays, and the underlays. So that was a quick little Plannahannah haul for my memory planner, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!